Thank you. Namaste everyone, my name is Cassius Khan and I'm here at the beautiful Anvil Center in New Westminster as an artist resident. And I'm here to make a number of videos for you to enjoy and learn about Indian classical music. So a lot of people ask me the question about what is a raga? The best way that I can explain it is that just as the sweetness of sugar, treacle, honey and candy, which cannot be separately described but experienced for oneself, that particularity of notes and melodic movements and that distinction of melodic sound to which one's soul is delighted, wholly nourished, and that which colors the soul in infinite hues is raga. So it's a very intense explanation. In Western terms, they believe a raga is a scale. However, in the Indian sense, we do not believe that. A raga is actually a living entity which must be brought to life, as many ragas lie dormant for thousands and thousands of years. And in total, musicologists have cataloged about 63,318 ragas, and they have been categorized into what we call the Thaat system. Thats are basically mother ragas, and there are a number of different opinions about the Thaat system today. However, the musicologist Bhattkhande had basically grouped into 10 Thats where most ragas are. However, there are a few ragas that do not fall under this Thaat system, but I will explain them to you. So a raga is comprised of the arohan, which are the ascending notes, and the avrohan, which are the descending notes, or what we call in Hindi the descending swaras. So arohan is the swaras that go up, avrohan are the swaras that come down, and then we have the pakad. The pakad is the cluster of notes that help you identify the raga itself. There are certain melodic movements in that particular raga which are then clustered into these pakads. So I will quickly explain to you in vocal on how the Thats are sung. The very first one is Bilawal Thaat. The Bilawal Thaat, all of the notes are Shuddh, and basically in English the notes Shuddh means that they're pure notes. So it would be like this. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa, sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. So that is the Bilawal Thaat. The second one is Kalyan Thaat. In Kalyan, all the notes are Shuddh, but there is a Tivra Ma. So basically Tivra means that the note is sharp. So the Ma in this is Tivra, so it's Sa Re Ga Tivra Ma Pa Dha Ni Sa. It goes like this. Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Dha Ni Sa, Sa Ni Dha Pa Ma Ga Re Sa. The third Thaat is known as Khamaj. In Khamaj, the Ni is Komal. Komal means flat. So Tivra is sharp, Komal is flat. So the notes are Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Dha Komal Ni Sa. It sounds like this. Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Dha Ni Sa, Sa Ni Dha Pa Ma Ga Re Sa. Then we have the Bhairav Thaat. In Bhairav, the Re is Komal and the Dha is Komal. So that means the Re and the Dha are flat in this Thaat. It goes like this. Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Dha Ni Sa, Sa Ni Dha Pa Ma Ga Re Sa. The fifth Thaat is known as Kafi. In Kafi, the Ga and the Ni are both Komal, which means flat. So it goes like this. Sa Re Ga Ma pa dha ni sa sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. Then the sixth Thaat is known as Asavari. Asavari, the ga, dha and ni are all komal or flat, and it goes like this. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. The seventh Thaat is known as the Bhairavi Thaat. In Bhairavi, we have 4 flat notes. The re, the ga, the dha and the ni are all flat or komal. It goes like this. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. The eighth Thaat is known as Tori. Tori is quite unusual. The re, the ga and the dha are all komal, which are flat, but the ma is tivra. So there's a sharp ma in there. So this sounds very, very interesting. And how it would sound is sa komal re, komal ga, tivra ma, pa komal dha, shuddha ni sa. It goes like this. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. The ninth Thaat is known as Marva. Marva is also quite unusual. The re is komal or flat and the ma is tivra or sharp. So this is quite interesting. So we sa komal re, ga tivra ma, pa dha ni sa. Sounds like this. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. We also have the Purvi Thaat. The Purvi Thaat, the re and the dha are komal or flat and the ma is tivra. So it would be sa komal re, ga tivra ma, pa komal dha ni sa. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. Now there are also some other ragas that do not fall into this category. For example, the Malhar group of ragas have got 2 knees when they go ma pa ni dha ni sa ni pa ga ga ma re sa. We also have Patadip, which is sa re, the ga is komal and the rest is all shuddh, meaning pure notes. So the ga is flat. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. We also have Ahir Bhairav, which is sa komal re, ga ma pa dha komal ni sa. So this is Ahir Bhairav. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. We also have Madhuvanti. Madhuvanti is a raga which is quite unusual. The ga is komal and the ma is tivra, so it sounds like this. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. Then we also have Lalit, Lalit has both mas, the tivra and the shuddh. And so this is also quite unusual. And the re is also komal. So it goes sa re ga ma ma dha ni sa sa ni dha ma ma ga re sa. So these are the 10 Thaatas plus a few more ragas that I have decided to describe to you on how the Thaat system works in Indian classical music. So most of the ragas are grouped under these. So now you have an idea on the 10 Thaats. And what we will be focusing on during these vocal series will be one Thaata, which is going to be the Kafi Thaat. And the reason why I say that is because there are 4 very beautiful ragas in Kafi Thaat, which are just gorgeous. So Kafi, before I let you guys go, the Kafi scale or the Thaat goes like this. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. Thank you so much. Namaste.